Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. So today is Sunday, and the date is 31 of January 2021. Okay, kids, today we're going to learn about what? About
our solar system.
planets. Okay, how many planets do we have?
Eight.
Excellent, 8 planets. 8 planets. They all revolve around something. What do they revolve around? Yes,
The
Elayan.
sun.
Yes, Elayan.
Sun.
Are you Layan Yali? I said Layan.
I didn't hear you.
Okay. So, Elayan, they all revolve around what?
The sun.
Excellent. They all revolve around the sun. Where can you find planets? Please, everyone, open your cameras. I need to see you guys. I would love to see you. Just a minute, ya Rayana. Please, can you keep the question for the end of this class? I will take all of your questions.
It's a really question, really, in the lesson.
Really, very important, ya Rayana? Okay.
Not very important, but it's in the lesson.
Yes, ya Rayana.
There is 9 planets.
No, it's 8
there
planets.
is one. But there was 9 planets, then it's now 8.
Yes, there was 9 planets, but now after
what was that planet?
Pluto.
Why it's not until now it's here?
Because now they defined it as a dwarf planet. Let me tell you about it later, ya Rayana. First of all, let's talk about planets and where can you find planets?
I know.
Yes, ya Ritel, where can you find planets?
Solar system.
Excellent. That leads us to learn about solar system. What is our solar system? Our solar system is made up of a star and the planets and other bodies that revolve around it. So our solar system, what do we have in our solar system? Only planets? Or we have some other bodies and stars too? I think it's only planets. What do you think, Yalayan?
I think it has bodies and stars.
Excellent, excellent. I want to see your beautiful face, my lovely student. Can you open your camera?
I don't know, but it's close by the sun, but I don't know what's happened. Look.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's why I can't open it.
Okay. Thank you, Elaine. All right, what is a planet? A planet is a large round body that revolves around a star in a clear orbit. We know what's an orbit. We all know what's an orbit. What's an orbit? Who can tell me? What is an orbit? Yes, ya Maria.
I think an orbit is when the planets they orbit around either themselves or the sun.
Excellent. When they go around something, but we say orbit on the path that they take around the sun. When planets orbiting around the sun, the path that they take, we call it orbit. So all planets, they orbit where? Around the sun, and a planet is a large round body that revolves around the sun. The sun is the big star. We know that the planets can be full of gases or they can be made of rocks and gases. We have other objects in the space. We call it asteroids. Look at the big rock over here. We call it asteroids. You can find asteroids also in space, not revolving around the sun, but it can be swimming in space. Asteroids are large rocks left over from when the solar system was formed. okay? Most asteroids have an irregular shape. They don't have a fine shape. They are irregular. See? You can't know what is the shape of it. The largest known asteroid had a diameter for almost 1,000 kilometer. It is really big. Yes, ya Maria.
Never mind, I just read it.
Oh, okay. So it is very, very, very huge and big. Asteroids, they are not planets, and planets, they move them away while they are going all the way around the sun. Look at what do we have here? What do you think this is? Is it a shooting star? What do you call it? Yes, Yaritar, can you read for me?
Yes. As a comet approaches the sun's heat turns the comet's frozen parts into gas. This gas may look like fiery tails stream away from the sun. Comets are less than 10 kilometers, 6.2
Miles,
millimeters
across.
across, but can have tails that are up to 100,000 kilometers, 62,137 miles long.
Okay, so we call it a comet. What is a comet? When a comet approaches the sun, what will do the sun? The sun will heat, the sun's heat will turn the comet's frozen parts into gas. So we know that comets are frozen. It will turn all the frozen comets to what? Gas, and it will throw it away and it will look like a shooting star. So whoever said it's a shooting star, it really looks like a shooting star because sun has turned it all to gas and shoot it all the way around. Okay, so you know what is a comet? Come on, guys.
I think.
Sorry,
Okay.
miss, my mic was muted.
It's fine. So you
Now
know
I
it's
know
a
what-
comet. All right, girls. In our planet, in our solar system, how many planets do we have?
8.
8 planets.
8 planet.
Okay, these all 8 planets, we can divide them into what did I do?
2 parts.
2 parts. We will, what's that?
I know how.
Miss, can I say
Okay,
them? Can I say them?
2 parts. We can call them. These are the outer planets, and these are the inner planets.
planets.
Why outer and inner planets? What do you think? Can you
I
guess?
know.
Yes, I know.
I know.
Yes, Yaleen.
I think that there are the first ones are inner because the outer is way some of them are bigger than the planets over here.
Excellent, Yaleen. I know what you are trying to say. Inner planets are the closest to the sun. Outer planets are very, very far from the sun. So please, guys, do not draw on the screen. And yes, so inner planets are very close to the sun. Outer planets, they are far from the sun. Bushra, can you name for me the outer planets, please?
Sure. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Excellent, all of them. Do you think they are very cold planets or very hot planets?
Probably very hot.
Yes, I
Why?
know. I know,
They are outer
possible.
planets, ya Bushra.
Oh, cold.
Okay, very good. But why?
Hmm.
They will be very cold. Why? Because they are too close or far away?
Oh, too far away, actually.
Yes, because they are very far away from the
Earth and sun.
sun. Why? Why Earth? They have
I don't
nothing
know.
to do with Earth.
I
They
don't know, but I
all
guess sun
revolve
after.
around the sun. Are you with Galileo? Are you friends with Galileo? You think all planets are revolving around Earth or something, Bushra?
No, I'll immediately guess sun after.
Okay, very good then. So all planets revolve around sun, and the outer planets, they are very far away from the sun. That's why they are very cold. Okay? They are very cold. Yes, yeah. Lynn, what about the inner planets? The inner planets, they are very what?
They are hot because they're closer to the sun than the outer.
Excellent, excellent. What are the inner planets? Yeah, Rayana, can you name for me the inner planets? Can you name for me the inner planets?
Yeah. Merceus,
Mercury.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
Excellent. Can we live on Mars?
No, just
Yes,
Earth.
we can live. Why? Why not? Hi,
Because
Rital.
it don't
No.
have.
Miss,
Hi, Rital.
because it's super hot.
It is super
I said
hot.
that.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now compare planets and dwarf planets. What is the difference between dwarf planets and planets?
I don't know.
Yes, yeah, Leia. Yes, yeah, Leanne.
I think that dwarf planets don't like rotate or orbit around the sun.
Okay. Maybe they
And-
are orbiting, but do they have a round shape or not?
No, I guess like some of them, like they are like a semicircle. Some of them
Okay,
look
very
like
good.
a rock.
And let me
Yes.
tell you about something really cool about planets and dwarf planet does not have. Once the planets go around the sun, revolves around the sun, they have their own gravity and their own capability to move away everything that comes in their way. When they have rocks or asteroids or anything comes in their orbit, they can push it away, far away. Dwarf planet cannot do that. That's why they called Pluto as a dwarf planet, because when Pluto revolves around the sun, it had a round shape and it revolves around the sun, but it cannot push away asteroids or other rocks, materials, or substance. It will take it all the way with it in its orbit. It does not clean the way when it goes all around the sun. That's why they considered Pluto as a dwarf planet. Yes, ya Rayana?
And Miss, can I say something before Rihanna?
I want to tell you something, Miss.
Just a minute, because Rayana raised her hand first. Yes, ya
okay.
Rayana?
Is the outer planet made of gases?
We'll learn now. Just a minute. Yes, ya Layan?
Because I
And I
didn't
think-
hear you.
And I think that the dwarf planets don't have any gravity, not even little.
Excellent. Yes, that's right. They don't have gravity and they don't have excellent. It's not livable. Very good. Very good. All right. Yes, Yarayana. We are going to learn over here now. Look at the inner planets. Inner planets are the smallest and warmest. They are not only near the sun, they are small and warm. compare it to the others. Look at the others. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, they are compared to Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are smaller, okay? They are smaller and they are warmest. They have hard surface made of what? Made of rock. The inner planets revolve around the sun more quickly than the outer planets. They can move what? Very
Like this.
fast. They are
Yeah,
the only
like this.
planets where probes from Earth have landed. Okay, so these are the inner planets. What about the outer planets, Yarayana? Can you try to read over here? Look at the outer
The outer
planets.
planets are giant balls of gases. These planets are larger and less
Dennis.
than
The
the inner planet. They rotate quickly, which makes for a shorter day, but take a long time to revolve once around the sun. Unlike the inner planet, the outer planet have rings.
So, when I ask you about the differences between the outer and inner planets, you'll have plenty of them. For example, the first thing, the outer planets, we call them the giant planets because they are big giants of gases, but the inner planets are made of rocks. They are less dense and colder, but Earth, Mars, and Mercury and Venus, what do they feel? They feel very warm. And what about the movement of both of planets, both type of planets? Hi Rayana, tell me.
The bigger are the outer planets take a long time, and the inner planet take shorter time.
All right, that's correct, but I want someone else, please raise your hand, and I need someone else to tell me what are the, let's say, okay, Planet Queen and Science Queen, please write your names so I can know which one of you, what's your names, please?
She's Lean, the plant queen.
No, please, I want you to write your names. Everyone, write only your names. Do not change them. Okay, very good. Now, the giant planets, do they go around themselves quickly or slowly? What about going around sun? Yes, Yalia. Yes, Yalia, very good. I'm happy to see you, Yalia. Giant planets, do they go around themselves very quickly or slowly? Rotate.
Slowly.
Very quickly. What about going around the sun? They take a long time to go around the sun or very fast?
They take a long time.
Very good, very good. And what they are made of, gases or rocks?
Rock.
The giant planets.
Gas.
Gases. Also, they have one more thing. Who can tell me? What do they have? They have one more thing goes around them. Look at Saturn. What does Saturn have around it? Hi, Bushra. What does Saturn have around it? What goes around Saturn?
Jupiter, Uranus.
No, look at Saturn.
Oh, his ring, the ring.
Excellent, excellent. Giant gases or giant plants, they have rings going around them. Okay, girls, I think that's enough from the book. How about if we watch a small video that teaches you what are the differences between these planets? Do we see a video?
Please.
Okay. Okay, very good.
Please.
Okay, we'll say bye-bye to
Thank you.
recording now and
Thank you,
open the
miss.
video. Let's say bye-bye to recording.
Bye. We're gonna watch on YouTube.
Recording.
Bye.